Our visit to Knysna did not work out as planned due to the heads being misted up and visibility zero on the top of the mountains above the heads. So we then strolled at the bottom of the heads for a while, taking in the scenic beauty.
We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full-time through South Africa. We visit little off-the-beaten-track towns along the way,
Got to climb up there.
places that we would never have gone to before.
Hello, Cindy.
Hi, Graham. Look at the heads.
Nice, eh?
Beautiful.
Nice.
First time you seeing it, eh?
Yeah.
Wow! Wow! Oh, he's turning. He's going back now.
Beautiful. Nice canopy. I wonder if this canopy would be waterproof in rain, like we watched a video one day in America. Let's have a look here.
So there's a lovely little museum near the main road in Knysna, just one street back or near there. And that has got the old cannon that they found in the Shipwreck down at the bottom of that ship. So that's quite interesting. It's also a jail where they used to keep people years ago. It's an interesting little place. To this deck here, look over the whole of Knysna. Glass.
What is this here?
Sea glass. I'm starting to collect it.
Oh, okay.
So it's been
Wonderful.
ruffled and tuffled in the sea and then thrown up.
Okay. I think it takes about, what, 10 years or something, 40 years?
Yeah. You can feel it's not. You can feel it's not sharp on the edges.
Yeah.
That's why it's sea glass.
Okay.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Such power, babe.
Did you see that wave break through here?
Wow.
Here
Look, there's
comes another one.
Okay, it's pulling back. Oh wow, that's stunning. Here comes one. Look at the has such a powerful mouth. Never thought there was a cave here.
Let me see inside the cave. It's all scrappy here. Yeah. It's not that big.
Never seen this in my life before either. Coffee today at the Heads with the view out there. There's this beautiful restaurant. Yeah. The Heads.
They're good.
Yeah. Our view outside. Already eaten into the ice cream already. Hi Graham. The Heads. Right at the edge of the Heads here, where the big powerful waves come in Knysna. So after the Heads we left and we went to the Knysna House Art Gallery, a fine art gallery, beautiful. You're not allowed to film inside. We had a ball in there. We spent about an hour and a half and we really enjoyed it. You know, with my art career. So just down the road from the gallery there is this African shop with grass mats that I haven't seen for years. We used to have them on our floors when we were young kids with our parents. And there's a little coffee shop at the back. It's divine. And the owner, Lizette is so awesome. Outside garden area. Oh wow. Hello. Beautiful shop in Knysna. Hello, we're back.
How are we?
We are fine, we came back.
Hello. I thought you'd left the country already.
No, we come to. Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Still enjoying?
Yeah. Oh, loving it. behind us, sunset, and a nice rye, lovely pap and pork and salad. So Graham,
Yeah.
you've just said something to me. What do you want to say?
I wonder who else can say you're at the hairdresser having your haircut with a beautiful view to look at waves just crashing away.
Yeah,
What a different view.
it keeps you occupied while you're having your haircut.
Yeah.
My studio today, isn't it quite glorious? So Graham, oh nice, nice.
Now I know what you were bragging about.
Beautiful, eh? Okay, so Graham, I think it's time to say goodbye to everybody.
Are we leaving now? Are we ending the video? What we doing?
We're ending the video.
Okay.
Or Knysna.
Okay, so we're at the end of the video for Knysna. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We certainly did.
Yeah.
So from Cindy and Graham, we're saying goodbye and enjoy your ride, and I think subscribe to join our ride.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay, bye. What do you want to say, Graham?
I love this catamaran here. This is called airtime,
Yeah.
and if you look at it over there. Can you see the cabins on the side?
Yeah. Is there cabins?
There's cabins down the bottom,
Yeah.
both sides.
Yeah.
And if you look on the back, it says airtime
Yeah.
and Newport Rose Island.
Oh, where's that?